Hi friends. So let's say you decided to become a Python developer, and you need a comprehensive guide to kickstart your journey. Let's use Deepseek v3 for this task. So we are in the deepseek.com, and let's start our conversation. Our first question is, for example, I want to learn Python as my first programming language. Give me a complete roadmap to follow, and that roadmap should be based on the 20 and 80% rules. And after a few seconds of thinking, Deepseek gave us a comprehensive guide. Let's look at its highlights. So the roadmap emphasizes the importance of focusing on the core 20% of Python concepts that yield 80% of the results. This strategic approach allows learners to prioritize essential skills, such as control flow with loops and conditionals, and basic data structures like lists and dictionaries, rather than getting bogged down in the minutiae of the language. Roadmap says Python as beginner-friendly language. Python's syntax is designed to be easy to understand, making it perfect for newcomers. Versatile applications. Python can be used in web development, data science, automation, and more. 2080 Rule Roadmap. Focus on the essential 20% of concepts that lead to 80% of your results. Project-based learning. Applying knowledge through projects solidifies understanding and builds confidence. Community and resources. Extensive resources and community support are available for learners. So Deepseek generated roadmap from how to install Python in PC or Mac to how to become proficient in Python, and it also provided us resources and study schedule, which we even didn't ask it. This is the power of Deepseek v3. Now let's ask it another question. Can I become an expert in these concepts in 6 months? Generate a result-oriented schedule for me to achieve my goal in 6 months. Let's see the results, and after a few moments, results are in front of you. Here is the summary of what Deepseek said about our question. Yes, you can become proficient in Python within 6 months by following a structured roadmap that emphasizes consistent practice and project-based learning. The program is divided into 6 months, starting with Python basics and gradually advancing to more complex topics like object-oriented programming, web development, and specialization in areas such as data science or automation. Each month includes specific goals, weekly tasks, and practice projects to reinforce learning. The final month focuses on building a portfolio and preparing for job applications. Key success tips include consistency, project building, community engagement, and progress tracking. A structured roadmap can effectively guide learners from Python basics to advanced topics in 6 months. Consistent daily practice, 2 to 3 hours, and project work are crucial for mastering Python. Specialization in fields like data science, web development, or automation helps tailor skills to career goals. Building a portfolio with real-world projects enhances employability and showcases practical skills. Engaging with online communities can provide valuable support and resources during the learning process. It is recommended to dedicate 2 to 3 hours daily, including reviewing concepts, learning new topics, and practicing coding. Specializing helps focus your learning and enhances job prospects in fields such as data science, web development, or automation. Online forums like Stack Overflow or subreddits like r/learn-python are great places to ask questions and seek assistance from the community. A really commendable and comprehensive message given by Deepseek. It shows its competency and the ability to critically analysis. With such kind of tools, you can overcome every hurdle. Let's convert this whole answer into tabular form for the better understandings. Let's ask Deepseek to do it for us. And voila, it is conveying that roadmap into tabular form. It divides the learning process into monthly themes, weekly focuses, tasks, and practice projects. The curriculum starts with Python basics and progresses through control flow, data structures, functions, object-oriented programming, web scraping, data analysis, and web development. The final months emphasize specialization in areas such as data science or web development, portfolio building, coding challenges, and job preparation. A daily schedule is included, recommending 2 to 3 hours of study each day, along with tips for success like consistency, building projects, and seeking help. A structured approach helps learners progressively build their Python skills over 6 months. Practical projects reinforce learning by applying concepts in real-world scenarios. Specialization in a particular area allows for deeper expertise and more relevant portfolio projects. Daily practice and consistent study habits are crucial for mastering Python effectively. Utilizing community resources, such as forums, enhances learning and problem-solving capabilities. After having a comprehensive roadmap and an effective planning for 6 months now, let's ask Deepseek about what free and paid resources, as well as YouTube channels, are available in order to learn Python. And here is the summary of his provided resources. Deepseek provides a comprehensive list of both free and paid resources for learning Python, tailored for beginners and intermediate learners. It categorizes resources into online courses and tutorials, interactive platforms, books, and YouTube channels. Free resources include Automate the Boring Stuff with Python, Codecademy, and CS50's Introduction to Programming. Paid options encompass offerings from Coursera, Udemy, and DataCamp. Recommended YouTube channels for beginners include Corey Schaefer and Programming with Mosh, while CentDex and RealPython cater to more advanced users. The text emphasizes the importance of starting with free resources, gradually investing in paid ones, practicing daily on coding platforms, and applying knowledge through real-world projects. Let's suppose that you completed your goal of learning Python in 6 months. Now, in order to crack your dream tech company, you have to prepare interview questions. And even this toxic step also becomes easy with the help of Deepseek v3-like AI tools. So let's ask Deepseek to provide you a guide about how to prepare interview questions, and also valuable resources for cracking the interviews. So in short, here's the summary of Deepseek answer. Preparing for a Python developer job interview requires a blend of technical proficiency, problem-solving capabilities, and practical experience. Candidates should begin by thoroughly reviewing job descriptions to identify necessary skills, including Python fundamentals, data structures, web frameworks like Django and Flask, databases, APIs, and debugging. Mastering Python basics is crucial, covering syntax, data types, control flow, OOP, and error handling. Candidates should also engage in coding challenges, focusing on algorithms and Python-specific questions. Additionally, preparing for behavioral questions and conducting mock interviews are vital steps. Building a portfolio showcasing relevant projects can further enhance a candidate's profile. Various resources, including coding practice platforms, interview question banks, books, and online tutorials, are available to aid in preparation. Mastering Python fundamentals is essential for success in interviews. Familiarity with data structures and algorithms is crucial for coding challenges. Technical knowledge must be complemented by strong problem-solving abilities. Mock interviews provide invaluable experience and confidence for real interviews. A well-curated portfolio can showcase practical skills and attract potential employers. In this lesson, you learned how to start any programming language, gain necessary skills, and how to crack coding interview related to that particular field. Hope you enjoyed the class.